our trip to Hey-on-wye, the book town. After arriving, we wandered around the town through most of the shop. With fascinating architecture, interesting decor and themes, it was a lot of fun and a lot of shopping. Pub food before setting off to the lodge. Checking in at the Black Mountain Lodge where we were staying, we drop off all the books Stacy had bought, while she opened some birthday gifts early. We then left to head over to Brecon to a quaint little cinema. It was a beautiful night in the countryside. The next morning we headed to the dining hall to have breakfast, before setting off back to the book town. After parking up in Hey-on-wye, we had a little visit to the tourist gifts shops before heading onward for more books. We had to visit the cinema turned book shop, with an obscene amount of books. After a lot more shopping, we had a quick stop off for a brew before hitting the open road. Stopped as we left town to fly the drone around some castle ruins not on the map. After getting some lovely aerial shots of what we found to be a privately owned castle ruins, we headed home. We just had to do a spot of mild trespassing through someone's grounds to recover our drone.